It's the day after the Charlie bike completed. Finished everything up yesterday afternoon. It went well. After I got done with the trim in the cases, grinding out for the clearance for the cam lobes. After that got done, and it was pretty simple from that point forward. And man, I tell you what, so Screaming Eagle cam plate versus the fueling cam plate, I think by my opinion, hands down, the fueling kit is a much better option. With the Screaming Eagle cam plate, there's bearings to install, so you have to press them in, and then the cam's got to get pressed into the bearings, and there's a little bit more rigmarole going on there, and a couple more options or chances for mistakes. Fueling kit, plop right in, man, sweet. Just a much better, friendlier assembly than the Screaming Eagle option. Now, as far as cam plate to cam plate, I can't tell you which one functions better than the other. I suspect they're one and the same, but man, the fueling kit is a much friendlier assembly than the Screaming Eagle one. A lot less little bits to worry about, like clips and washers and spacers and this and that. Everything's included in the fueling kit. It's a better deal. So assembly, got everything back together, got all the powder coat, within the past couple days, got that finished up, installed everything. First start up, dude. Well, let me back up just a sec. This is a practice that I've been trying to follow since I did my first bike. I tapped out all the holes, blew out all the holes, make sure there's no oil in them, tapped all the screws, cleaned all the screws, and for this bike, for Charlie's, when I redid this one, I painted everything. I know it sounds like a little too much, but I did, and it looks pretty good. So painted those. So every screw, every hole was tapped and cleaned the threads on the screws. Everything was done. Everything was cleaned. It's just an easier job going back, so you don't have to worry about things getting any issues with debris or Loctite on screws and in the holes and everything. It's just much better assembly. So did that. And so first start up, plop, plop, plop. I mean, it started right up. Now the plugs, when I pulled the plugs out, they were frosty white. So I told Charlie from the beginning, I said, we're going to have to retune this. And then when I saw Vaughn the other day down at 850 Cycles, I let him know that, we're going to have to retune the bike. And he goes, definitely, with the new cams, you can't rely on, whatever tune. So essentially, I think this bike's probably got a factory tune in it from 03, because it's just lean, real lean. So they're going to fatten it up a little bit, get it going good. And then after this tune, man, this thing's going to run really, really nice. And Charlie's really excited. I'm excited. So this is just the final little update for us on this bike. Now we'll just clean the shop up and get ready for whatever comes next. But appreciate y'all so much. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for hanging with me. And this is the fun stuff. So let's keep it going. Cheers, everyone.